This channel makes $1,739 every month just by making miniature cooking videos. No camera, no face, just AI. We're going to show you exactly how to make something similar, step by step, in full detail, and I'm giving you a free prompt. But first, let's start by going to Gemini. We're heading to a Gemini gem I prepared especially for you to create this type of content. All you need to do is type start to activate the bot. Once it starts, it will ask you for the details of the video you want to create. Answer these questions based on the video you have in mind. Since this is a short video concept, we'll get 3 image generation prompts and 2 video production prompts. You can find this gem and the prompts directly in the master prompt section of our Telegram community via the link in the description. Once our prompt is ready, we copy the first scene image prompt and head to the OpenArt website. From the menu section, we click on the Create Image tab. In the tool that opens, we first select Nano Banana 2 as our image generation model, then paste the first image prompt we copied, set the output to 9:16 vertical format and 1K resolution, and hit the Generate button. Once the image is generated, we check it for any issues and save it. To produce the second scene, we go back to Gemini and copy the second scene image prompt. We return to OpenArt, and this time click on the Edit Image tool in the side menu. We drag the first scene image we produced into the image section of this tool, paste the second scene prompt into the prompt field below, make sure the model is set to Nano Banana 2, and hit Generate. The reason we use the Edit Image tool at this stage is to achieve a seamless consistency between the scenes. Once the second scene is ready, we check and save it. Then, we move on to the video production stage. We go back to Gemini one more time and copy the first scene video prompt. We return to OpenArt, select the Frame to Video tool, and set our video production model to Kling 3.0. In the Image Upload section below, we drag the first scene image into the start frame and the second scene image into the end frame. We paste the copied video prompt into the prompt field, turn on the audio settings, set the output to 7 seconds duration and 720p resolution, and hit Generate. Throughout the production process, you can choose different AI models and resolution options based on your budget. And most importantly, make sure to create original, effort-driven content in line with YouTube's strict policies on this type of content. Otherwise, you may find yourself unable to sustain your presence on YouTube long-term. Here's what our finished video looks like. If you want to improve your content production and editing skills, join our free communities via the link in the description. There you can connect with like-minded creators, and together we can build the largest content creation community in the world. If you enjoyed the content, leave a like. It means a lot to us. Drop your content requests and suggestions in the comments. We read every single one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.